That's good. That's good thing. This is also happening with you. This issue is common nowadays.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem.
And this is big issue in everyone test.
Exactly. So we were discussing about. I was saying that all the questions are from my side. You haven't asked even a single question from me.
Okay. So what do you want to do like in your morning routine, what you most like you want to do?
In the morning routines, I just want to have a relaxation. I want to have a morning walk. And what actually has happened that routine is so busy, and I just feel like that there should be enough time for having a walk and talking with family members. And this is the best thing we
Okay.
can do in the morning.
Okay.
Okay, what is education like in Pakistan? Is it going well?
Uh, Yes, there is education is more strict, I think.
But problem is that job matters a lot. There should also be employment.
Yes,
The problem is that in Pakistan, there's a number of people who are educated but are jobless.
obviously that's happened with all of people.
This is very sad movement. I should say that this is not good. We should have maximum job. That's reason that people are just feeling disappointed after being educated. This is very a bad kind of situation.
Yes.
Okay, what sports are popular in Pakistan? So, do you play some sports?
Yes, I play not like play physical, but
Okay.
I'm only play on my phone.
You should play physically because it is good for your health as well.
So yes, sir, but there is no any park here and anything that we will go and play there. So
Okay, is
that's
there no
why.
one, your cousin, your brother, your sister, to whom you can play?
No, sir.
Okay. So, is cricket very famous there in Pakistan?
Yes,
Okay. What is your favorite game or sports? Do you like cricket or football or some other game?
I like football.
Football. So, which player is your favorite one?
I I don't recall.
Okay, you don't remember
I
that. Do
don't
you like
remember like a
Messi or
name.
this kind of football? Ronaldo is also there.
Yes, I heard a lot of like the name Ronaldo.
Yes, this is a very famous Cristiano Ronaldo, a very famous celebrity.
Oh,
Okay. What do you think about China-Pakistan friendship?
their friendship is
It is
good
perfect
and
one. It is perfect one. Friendship is getting historical, and in China, in Pakistan, China relationships is so older, and it is very beneficial for both of the countries.
yes.
Okay, which country would you love to visit? China is just for your job description, as you told that you want to become a doctor, and in China there's much facility. If you are given another chance to visit some other country, what would you prefer to visit?
So I would to go Paris.
Paris.
So
Why do you choose this Paris for its beautiful places?
yes, because I think there is Eiffel Tower. What say?
Okay. What is the best thing about Pakistani culture?
Pakistani culture. What
What is the
Pakistani
best thing?
culture?
Simplicity is there in Pakistani dresses, culture. What is the thing that
Yeah,
you feel like that is best?
I think Pakistani culture salwar kameez is best
Exactly.
and
And you can see that people from other countries wear some other dresses, And simplicity and culture and Islamic traditions, if follow, are best.
I think no, that's not good.
Exactly. What I'm saying that I'm saying like that Pakistani people, if we're actually following Islamic traditions, that is, I think, the best thing among them, and the simplicity, their dresses, and all those things are very fascinating.
Yes, sir.
Would you recommend tourists to visit Pakistan?
Okay.
What do
So
you
I
think?
recommend. I think I not remember any place name.
Okay, even for your recommendations, would you tell somebody or some tourist to visit Pakistan, any place? Do you think so?
Yes, any
Okay,
place are good.
so all the places are beautiful. So it's all about today's discussion. Do you want some more topics, or is it enough?
Is it enough?
Okay, it is enough. And what is the last part? I would ask you that what is the last part of our discussion? Can you hear me? Is my voice
Yes,
on?
sir.
Which is the
Yes,
last
sir.
part of our discussion?